So you would have heard that people say that you are what you eat. But you think what is this nonsense? We are what we eat? No, we are already there now. What we eat goes into our stomach and we get the energy and whatnot. But you know what? Literally we are what we eat. What you eat today makes new cells or muscles or tissues, all the things in your body. You can think that okay, what I am next year is what I eat this year, isn't it? Like literally, whatever you take inside gets absorbed and becomes your cells. That is what constitutes your cells, isn't it? As a part of your body, every organ. So everything depends on what you eat, like seriously. So, if I have to say, there are three types of foods, three basic type of foods. You can say there are sattvic foods, rajasic foods, and there are tamasic foods. So in sattvic foods, there are all our fresh fruits and vegetables, our seasonal fruits and vegetables, and cooking with minimal amount of masala and spices and things. That is our sattvic food. Then there is rajasic food. In rajasic food, we eat lot of fried food and too much masala and spicy food. Lot of spices we add, ginger, garlic, and all the things we add so that the food is so tasty and spicy and everything. That is rajasic food. Now there is something known as tamasic food. If someone who consumes alcohol or someone takes a lot of non-veg in their food or takes the packed food, the packaged or frozen food, those kind of things which don't even get stale for so many years. So that kind of food, if someone is taking, that is known as tamasic food. So what is the effect of these individual type of foods on our body and our mind? So let's see. If someone eats tamasic food, most of tamasic food, then they will feel lazy and they will feel there will be lack of motivation all the time in them. They won't, when they get up in the morning, they won't feel like getting up. Why I have to get up? What I have to do today? No, I can't do this. I don't want to do this. There is no motivation, no inspiration, and something else in my body is always paining, or they just don't feel good, and even the thinking won't be good. There may be violent thoughts, or there may be quarrels in the house, something like that. Now if you come to rajasic food, so there are people who always if we eat too much spicy or fried food, then the mind most of the time it will be activated. There is too much of stimulus around you. If you take like chai or coffee, tea or coffee, or too much spicy or masala wala food, then your mind gets so much stimulus which it does not need. And because of that, we are always in a state of panic, or we are anxious. Too much anxiety or panic, or too much anger, all these things, all these extreme emotions which are not actually good for the body, come because we take too much of such type of food, the rajasic food. Now there is sattvic food. In sattvic food, we have fresh fruits and vegetables, and even when we cook food, we cook with minimal amount of spices, only as much as we really need. Okay, not that just to make it so spicy you will add all the things. Okay, so when you eat such type of sattvic food, your body also feels good. Okay, your brain gets stimulus only as much as needed, not unnecessarily stimulus, and not being lazy also. When you eat sattvic food, you yourself will feel the difference. Not even in months, you will feel it in days and hours, that suddenly your body is starting to feel more active. You're feeling light. It does not, you don't have to drag yourself around all day, but you yourself feel like doing something, caring about people, loving people, doing your own work, finishing what you have to finish, taking your life in the correct direction. You will feel all those things because your body and mind feel light, because you eat light food, not spicy and not alcohol and not so much non-veg which has come from the pain of someone else. No. Okay, so eat sattvic food and tell me also the difference, because I have experienced all of this and that's why I'm sharing it with you. I hope you'll also do the same. Thank you.